Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Golden Platter. Today's dish is very delicious and very easy. The name of the dish is no dough or liquid dough garlic parantha. It is super duper delicious and it's really easy to cook within no time. The ingredients required are 1 cup of flour, 1 to 1.5 cup of water, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander and 2 teaspoons of butter. And we also need salt, but that is according to taste. First of all, we'll add half teaspoon of salt into flour. Next, we'll add garlic, coriander and butter into flour. Now we'll give it a good mix and then we'll add water to make it our batter. And now I'll add water into it so that it becomes a liquid dough. We'll keep mixing it properly so that no lumps are formed. Now you can see that the batter is ready. And look at its consistency. It's not very thin or very thick. This is a perfect consistency of the batter. Now we'll turn on the gas and put the griddle over it. Now we'll grease it with oil. Little bit oil is only required. So now after the griddle has been heated up a bit, we'll put the flame at medium and now we'll add the batter. After we have poured the batter properly, we'll spread it nicely and evenly. We'll let it cook from one side for around a minute or two and then we'll flip it to the other side. Now it has been cooked from one side and we'll flip it to the other side. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Again, we'll wait for a minute or two and let it cook properly. Parantha has got a goldenish color, so that means that it is ready to eat. Now we'll turn off the gas and we'll plate it. Now you guys can see that garlic parantha is ready to eat. It looks so good and it smells so good. If you like this recipe, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.